Today we're making 2-ingredient air fryer bagels. No yeast, no boiling, just delicious bagels fast. You guys are loving air fryer recipes at the moment, so let's make this new one. Let's get to it. Guys, it really is this simple, just 2 ingredients for the bagels. Toppings are optional. We've got 1 3/4 cups of self-raising flour with 1 cup of plain full-fat Greek yogurt. I'll leave the ingredients in the description box for you too, so you can refer back to it if you need. So in a bowl, combine the 2 ingredients. If you want it to come together faster, you can pull up your sleeves and it's time to get to work. It's sticky business. With your hands, mix well until fully combined, and you can start to make a ball shape with the dough. We're going to add a little bit of extra self-raising flour to the kitchen bench and then start to knead the dough briefly. Next, we're going to divide the dough into 4 pieces, trying to keep them as even in size as possible. Then we're going to shape the dough, so with your hands, make the dough into sausage-like shape and then connect the ends so it forms a bagel shape. Keep repeating until you've got 4 bagels. I have also lined a baking tray with parchment paper, so once the bagels are shaped, pop them onto the tray. You can cook these in the oven too, however the air fryer is faster and I prefer the end result. Now this part is optional, but it will elevate your bagels to look cafe quality. So you can top them with sweet or savory options. I always go savory, so I have some everything bagel seasoning, which includes sesame, onion, garlic and sea salt. I do highly recommend. So you can baste the bagels with a bit of oil or butter of your choice and then sprinkle with your seasoning. While the oil is out, don't forget to baste the bottom of your air fryer too so they don't stick. Now we are ready. All 4 can go into the air fryer at once. And we're going to bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 12 to 15 minutes or until they're fully cooked and golden on top. Before you know it, they'll be ready and you'll have freshly cooked bagels in minutes. Oh my goodness. Guys, the smell alone is just worth making these for. How awesome do they look? So golden and crunchy. So on the top I used the everything bagel seasoning, which has got black and white sesame seeds, it's got salt. The topping is actually optional, so you don't have to if you don't want to, or you could just use poppy seeds or just sesame seeds if you like. And that's if you want to go down the savory route. If you want to go down sweet, you could obviously do something like a little bit of sugar on top. I personally like my bagels savory. I cannot go past a beautiful bagel with cream cheese. That's just my type of bagel. And I also put avocado on it as well. Cream cheese and avocado. That's my go-to. If you haven't tried it, don't knock it until you do. Give it a go. Wow, how good do they look? So amazing. They smell so good. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my cream cheese and avo ready and let's eat them. Thanks so much for joining me in the kitchen today, guys. I hope that you love this recipe. If you make it, please let me know how you go. If you do like this video, please do make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really does help support me and bring you new videos every week. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you again soon. If there's any recipes you want to learn how to make, let me know in the comments below. I love to hear from you guys. Thanks, guys. Bye.